Hello, my dear students. I send you all a big hug full of love and greetings from the Uzel design page. I am Nuray Sahin. I have been engaged in this work for about 30 years. I worked for 20 years at the Ankara Metropolitan Municipality as a master producer in the BENMEC courses. I have trained hundreds of course participants. For about 10 years, I served as a master instructor in public education courses affiliated with the Ministry of National Education, and Wartnains Narichlarki trained hundreds of course participants. After retiring, I started to continue this work. I do it with love and enthusiasm. Handicrafts are actually a labor of love. Currently, I am also the founder of the Uzel design brand. Our brand mainly features baby trousseau sets. We can make everything you can think of in textiles, such as bedding sets, quilts, tablecloths, and napkins. Apart from that, we have printed onesies for our babies. We generally work for babies. What's included in our baby trousseau set? Let's list them right away. We have a Babynest and 2 decorative cushions. One of our cushions is a sun cushion and the other is a cloud cushion. We have a stroller cover and cushion. We have a nursing and support pillow, a nursing apron, and a patchwork quilt. We have a changing mat with a bag and a pillow inside. Under the name of Surprise Pillow, there is a thin handmade quilt inside, along with a sheet and a pillow. This is our 15-piece set.